Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make a donut. So the materials you need is some cardboard, some paper, a pencil, scissors, a container or something that we can trace like a circle, some glue, and a hole puncher. If you don't have a hole puncher, you can use a pencil to make a hole and some colors or coloring tools to decorate. So I'm gonna get my cardboard. Put my materials aside. So grab this cardboard. I'm gonna use this thing to outline the circles. And with the pencil, I'm gonna just trace the circle. Okay, I got one of them. Now then I'll make another one. Oh no. Yes. Got the circles. I'm gonna cut them out with the scissors. These 4 circles now done. So now I'm gonna just glue them with the glue. I'll put this in place. I'll put the first circle, the bottom, the big one, for glue. Then I'll just rub the glue on my finger. Let's just put this on top. Okay, I'll put this on. Okay. And then and the last, the one that I'm gonna glue. Put my last one on top. There we go. So we're done with this part. Now just put the glue away. Make it a little bit dry, like for 4 seconds. Okay, I think it's dry now. So I got this thing away. So to make it easily decorated, we can use the paper on the cardboard. Okay, spread it out, and then get paper on top. And then I'll put my other way. Also on top. Okay, we're done with that. Actually, we don't need to use this hole punch. This hole punch, we can just put a. But to make it more beautiful, we can just make the paper and then we can put it on the sides. So how about let's do that? Strip, so it'll make it easier like this. Then do this. Okay, I'll just cut this thing. I ended up with one. Oh, I got this. Okay, now I got this. Place. Okay, free cut. Put a glue. I'm actually gonna put glue on the paper instead. The paper. That'll be easier to stick. Cut this now. If it doesn't wait too long, I'll put more glue. I added another strip because it doesn't have a lot. So I can just do it again. Oh my god. Okay. I think that's enough. Glue on the paper again. Then put on the paper. not stick too much. Okay, I did it. I glue on my hands. Okay, glued this part. Now we're all done, but we're not almost done because we get to decorate time. So get my markers and crayons to decorate. I'm decorating. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with everyone.